Since the last video where I went over the hydrogen production and the cannon, there have been some interesting things that have happened with the hydrogen producer. And one of the things that happened is because I used PLA in this solution of sodium hydroxide, it actually turned very brittle and crumbled. One of the problems that happened from that is that the metal plates that conduct the electricity are now in contact with each other, and so there is much more shorting, and there is significantly less hydrogen that is being produced. One of the things that I just realized is that on the video I watched from Hyperspace Pirate, the first hydrogen producer that they made, they had the same problem with PLA crumbling, so they changed to ABS. So I'm going to buy a spool of that from Bamboo Labs so that I can print in ABS or ASA and hopefully make it so that the sodium hydroxide does not eat the entire plastic piece, and hopefully it won't turn the water all this grimy stuff, and I will be able to keep it intact for longer. I've also made an improvement to the cannon. So it is on kind of this tripod thing, which has previously been used for rocket launches, but now we can use as kind of a holder for this cannon, at least when we're not using high-speed projectiles. I also added the spike on the back, which could be used to go into the ground. We tried that once, and hold it in place better, kind of like the mortars the Army uses, so it wouldn't move quite as much as last time. We were not able to fire the cannon this time at all because of how little hydrogen it was producing. I'm going to try to get the ASA as soon as possible so that we can do this again and I can post another video. But also in the meantime, while we're getting this up and running, I'm also running tests on RC planes so that hopefully we can turn that into a guided projectile soon.
3, 2,